everybody. Thank you for joining me today. So on today's video, I'm gonna share a haul video. I recently got some items from my little scrapbook store. I'll have links to their Facebook page and website, I think down below. But I just want to go through just a few items that I was able to pick up from them. The first thing I'm excited about is this Kaiser Craft Christmas paper. And let me tell you, it comes with sort of like a workbook, I guess. It's showing like all their designers and they even have templates in here where you can duplicate cards and stuff like that. Um, it's really cool, and it came with the collection. And then we're gonna go through the different papers. We have the ephemera pieces, all the sheets, not all the sheets, but they have the accent of the rose gold, and I love. Okay, so if you guys haven't noticed on my channel at all, but I love pink, and I can't believe this collection. Look at this marble paper. I'm in love. I am in love. And then it has the bokeh on the back. Are you kidding me? And these cut aparts, they are so awesome. And this sheet right here is just begging to be fussy cut because there's all these ornaments. This one, actually, instead of having the rose gold, it has texture. It's really interesting. It's like a gritty texture. And then you have, I like how you have the rose gold on one side, and then on the other side is either like, a matte finish, or it's the one side had like music notes and stuff like that. Love. I'm so excited for this for Christmas. You have no idea. All my friends and family will be getting cards with these. And then I also got the 12 by 12 pad, and this one also has foil. Now, I'm just going to flip through because all these are the same patterns that we just saw. I'm so excited. I get two more of the marble pieces or papers. But they have the cut aparts, the snowflakes. So it's really everything that you just saw. That's why I went through that one super quick. Now, this collection is actually an Amy Tan. And this one is the Shine On. And in the packet that I got, it came with one of these, and then I got an extra. And this is the gold foil on vellum. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And then here are the papers. And I want to say we get two of each. Yep. So you get the pattern. Like this one, the cameras, you get fussy cut. You have the trees with the stripes on the back. More cut aparts. And on the back of the cut aparts, is it the polka dots? Yep. It's the polka dots. And I love this black and white flower. I'm not sure. I don't know what I would do with that, with the other paper on the back side, but I really like the white and black flowers. And then this is it's got a little bit of pink and blue. And then I love the fact that on a lot of the back sides, it's black and white, either a pattern, geometric pattern or something. It's really, really nice. And then I also got, I should have showed you this with the Christmas paper that I was showing you by Kaiser Craft. I was just showing you, they always write little notes on their invoices. On this one, they have a sticker book, which I never got a sticker book with Kaiser Craft collection. But you get two sheets, and they have everything from the reindeers to sentiments, and you get two sheets of the sentiments. I love that. Plus numbers, so we're great with like a December daily. More words, and then just all gold, rose gold, and then sort of like a washi tape. Really nice. Then I got this Catherine Pooler background stamp. When they came out with that, I was so excited because I just figured that would be cool to stamp on a background and then color in. And then this is like a 3-step, 4-step stamp. They all have like 4 pieces. So you got the solid flower, the next color, an even smaller piece for some highlights, and then, or the center pieces. So it's like 4 pieces, 4 stamps to make the flower. And then this is by Brutus Monroe. And let me tell you, That flower is gorgeous in person. I love the etching of it. So that would be really fun to do in like a embossing and then do watercolor or emboss resist type technique. It'll be really cool to use. All right, so thank you guys for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and at the end, I'm gonna have videos to previous ones of mine. Not necessarily haul videos, just other videos that you may enjoy. And I look forward to seeing you guys with our next video. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Oh, don't forget, the links for my little scrapbook store will be down in the comments below. Thanks, you guys. Have a good one.